discuss about JDBC, like advanced Java. Then servlets, it is also related to the advanced Java. So JSP. After that, we are going to finish. So UI technologies. So like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery. These are things we are going to see. And even we are going to talk about Oracle 19C. And with all these tools, we are going to develop one mini project. So this is nothing but the tools which we are going to cover in this total basic Java package course. Okay, the duration of this course is 4 months. So Jan, so Feb, March, April. You can expect the course completion almost at the end of this April. And fees for this particular batch is 12,000, including materials and videos. And very important, timings. So the timings of this batch is not at 9 o'clock. It is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it is a normal track. Normal track in the sense, slowly I'm going to explain the concepts from basic to the next level. Okay. And in these, there are two batches. The people who are interested to attend only core Java, you can select core Java. That is nothing but module 1. Course 1 is nothing but so only core Java. So you can pay and you can register by paying rupees 5,000 for only core Java. And course 2 is nothing but what? This basic Java package. Okay, basic Java package. In this, all these 4 courses like core Java, advanced Java, UI technologies, and Oracle. These 4 courses will come. So for this, the fees is nothing but rupees 12,000. So it is up to you, your choice. So if you want to develop the complete full stack, better to go for this basic Java package. If you need only core Java, you can go for this. Okay. So up to 1.5 months or 2 months, only core Java will be there. So parallelly, we are going to discuss this UI technologies as well as Oracle. But once if the completion of core Java over, then only we will discuss about JDBC servlets JSP like that. Okay, this is nothing but our course pattern, course details. So if you are having any queries, please let me know. Then I will show you the syllabus. Any questions? So feel free to ask your queries. So already this batch got started. It is an add-on batch. The batch is started last week. It is an add-on batch.
Sir, what is this add-on batch? Matlab, already the 1 week for the past 1 week, something why already might have been covered.
Yes, those things I will cover for you people.
Okay. That means
So
again, it is not a starting new batch.
no, it is a starting batch only. Last
Oh,
Monday we started a new batch, sir. So just to add few more people into that batch, just we plan another temporary batch. We will combine this batch with that. The timings will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Whatever
okay.
topics I covered for them, I am going to take for you people, and I have given some short break for that batch for 3 days.
Okay.
I
Okay.
think you understood my point, right?
Understood. Understood.
Yeah, right. Any other queries regarding the course details?
Uh, Hello, sir. What's the
Yes,
duration for the core Java?
ma'am.
What's the duration for the core Java?
Around 45 days will be there, ma'am. 45 days. Since it is a normal track, excluding holidays, you can expect 2 months. By the end of Feb, you will get finished with core Java.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Right. Yeah, let me start this core Java. Actually, this core Java, we are going to plan totally in 5 modules. Okay. So what is the first module here is, so what is the first module that we are going to cover? part 1. So here we are going to discuss only about fundamentals. Like if I want to develop any Java program, what basic things are required? Like introduction. So introduction to Java programming, how you can able to write, and steps to prepare Java application. See, if I want to prepare any Java application, what steps we need to follow, and what are the softwares required so to run Java application. So if I want to develop a simple Java program also, some basic softwares and some IDEs also required, right? Like how to download and how to install those IDEs. So how to develop a program on that, how to create a project, how you can execute the basic steps and all we are going to cover here. After that, so we will talk about the keywords and identifiers. So at any programming language, whether it may be C or Java or anything, so keywords and identifiers is a common thing. Like some words are there in Java or any other language as a fixed meaning. So those are called as keywords, and we will be having some identifiers also. And identifiers means the words which we are defining, and how to write comments, and some naming conventions which is very very important, and data types, and typecasting, how you can cast, I mean how you can convert so one type to another type. Then we have literals. Some people may use the word called constants, then operators, after that input and output statements, next, and after that selection statements, next iterative statements. So next we have transfer statements. So then we have nested loops. Nested loops in the sense something like inner loops. So after this we are going to see so pattern programming, like how to prepare the patterns. So in these fundamentals also we are going to conduct some kind of quizzes, like on each and every topic. So we will be having a quiz, so you can participate, and it is a interactive based quiz. Like questions will be displayed on my screen, and you have to select answers from your mobile or something like that. And the leaderboard position will be there, negative marking will be there. So who is going to come first? It is a kind of challenging and more tricky questions will be there in this quiz for every topic. And even coding based questions also will be there. Like some programs I'm going to solve, and some programs I will give as assignment for you to practice, and I will use some hacker rank link, so with almost 100 plus programs, just for practice purpose you can practice these things. So this is nothing but a part 1 fundamentals we have. So we will spend maximum time on this. In this time period I'm not going to take any extra sessions, because so learning fundamentals is very very important for this Java, right? That's why maximum time we will spend on these fundamentals. Once if we are clear with fundamentals, remaining things will become very easy. This is nothing but the first part in our module 1. Any queries? Any queries?
So whatever you will type the program, that the program will get us Prakash, or how it is
No, no,
that
no. What is your question? I'm not getting you properly, sir. Can you please repeat?
no, my question is that let's say you are typing the program as part of the each of the topic, right?
Yes.
So that program, how you will provide means you will share that program to us, or
Yeah, yeah. We are going to share a running notes. You can see here. It is a previous batch running notes. Like
oh,
every
okay,
program, I'm going to type, and I will copy paste the outputs also, and I will
okay,
share.
okay, okay, okay,
See here.
okay,
Everything I'm going to type and I will execute. Okay.
oh, okay, okay. Yeah, got it. Yeah, thank you.
Sir, one more thing, like
Mm.
for the Java practice programs, like how these program softwares you will be providing to us?
Yeah. So software is not required, sir. Just once if you install, see these
Ah,
coding based questions, it is a something like problem statement only I'm going to give. You have to type in your mission and you need to send answers to me. So whereas coming to the quiz, it is online based quiz. Like I'm going to share my, I'm going to display the questions on my screen and you have to attempt that one. Okay. Then last one, hacker rank link. It is a tool, sir. It is a platform, online platform. I will show you how it is going to work. Once if the topics got completed, I will show you how you can execute the programs. Okay.
Okay.
If you want 1 second, I will show you one thing. Yeah, you can see it is a demo link actually. It may not work. 1 second. Yeah, you can see it's a kind of a platform, sir. I'm going to give this link for you people. You have to practice in this. So almost more programs will be there here. You can see like this. Just you need to select any one program and you have to click on solve. You can see, so question will be there as well as constraints and some sample test cases also I'm going to give. You have to type the program and you need to run the code to check whether it is working or not. If it is working, just you need to click on submit button. See, in this, you can expect basic level programs to advanced level programs. So maximum basic level programs will be there, and some moderate programs also will be there. Top level programs around 100, sorry, 10 or 15 like that, it will be there. And very, very important, sir, the people who are there in final year or pre-final year, for that, this course is going to be helpful. I mean, this coding practice. So these things are going to be helpful. Okay, sir, clear? Sir, clear everyone? Any other questions in these fundamentals?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir, are you provided us a video, recorded video?
Yeah, yes. Once if the session got completed, we are going to share the video on the same day night itself. Okay.
Okay.
And these videos will be accessible for you only for 6 months. That's why whenever the session completed, maximum try to revise the video as early as possible. Okay. It will be in your drive for 6 months. Once if time period completed, automatically it is going to be deleted. Sir, any other questions on fundamentals? If you are clear, then we will move to the next one. What about arrays strings? Yeah. Arshit, please wait. Just I discussed only part 1 of our Java. Just only syllabus. And one more thing, let me show you that quiz platform also, so that you can get some clarity. So it is a previous batch video. Just we are going to have a quiz like this. Yeah, like this. A quiz will be there. You can see. So the questions are going to be displayed on my screen. Student has to select the answer, and finally we are going to decide who is going to come first next like that. So this platform I will introduce how to execute and all. So it will be there only for fundamentals. So for remaining parts, we are going to see different patterns. This is part 1, sir. Okay. Now coming to this Java part 2. In this part 2, main important topic like object oriented programming, that is nothing but object oriented programming we are going to see. In this we have around 50 subtopics are there. 50 subtopics are there. So I don't want to type each and every topic name, like method overloading, method overriding, constructors, so factory methods, okay, instance factory methods, static factory methods, so static block, instance block, like a number of things will be there in this. Okay, I don't want to type each and everything. And in these output based questions also we are going to discuss. Like once if the session got completed, I'm going to show some 5 or 6 questions. You need to judge the answer. Okay. And after this, very very important here, interview questions are very very important, because majority of the companies are going to ask the questions only based on these oops. So that's why I will focus mainly on oops concepts. So the second priority after learning fundamentals, you need to get more priority on these OOPS concepts. Then part 3, once if it is OOPS completed, then we are going to see so containers in Java, like how you can able to hold the data. So for that we have some special utilities, like we have arrays are there, and strings are there, and collections are there. So what is the purpose of these strings? These are containers, like array can contain some data. So strings can contain some data, and the collections also a group of objects. Like these are the containers, and we are not required to think anything about this. So this is the most easiest part in the Java, but lengthy topics will be there, but all are predefined. We are not required to do anything. So for arrays, predefined support is there. For strings, we have 4 classes are there, like string buffer, string builder, string buffer. Then collections, we have array list, linked list, so list, set, map, dictionary, like that we have a number of things are there. So this is nothing but part 3. So this is nothing but part 3 what we have. Okay, and so part 5, sorry, part 4. So this is nothing but some advanced topics will be there. What are the advanced topics that we have is, let me give one. So the first advanced topic is we are going to talk about regular expressions, like so what is mean by regular expression, how you can able to develop regular expression for validations, like that. Next, wrapper classes, of course it is outdated, but it is very very important. Okay, these are deprecated, but there is one concept called auto boxing, auto unboxing. This is also very very important. And sorry, I forgot to mention, so for containers, so I'm going to give some 10 10 tests. 10 tests I'm going to give. So every test contain, okay, every test contain so 50 questions. 50 questions, so with negative marking, just for practice. You need to practice. At the end I will show you how it is going to work, and I'm not going to take this in live class. I will share the link in the WhatsApp group. So I will give some time. On that time you need to start and you need to end the exam. And on arrays 2 exams will be there. On strings, so 2 exams will be there. Rest of the exams will be on collections. So it is a kind of a different platform I'm going to introduce. And if you are thorough with this, so I can give guarantee that you can attend any kind of interview with a confident, because everything is a predefined and easiness will be there. So I forgot to mention there. And regular expression, wrapper classes. Next, exception handling, exception handling. Next, multi-threading. Okay, so next and after that, very very important, like lambda expression. These are new features. So functional interface, then stream API. So these things I'm going to cover. These are Java new features. And the last part, so which is nothing but storage areas. Storage areas, like sir, I developed one application, it is working fine by using all these concepts I developed, but I want to run this. I want to install in client machine and I want to run this. When client is executing the program, you must preserve the data, right? For that we have two things are there. One is a file handling, second one is database handling. For database I will use both MySQL and Oracle. Both I am going to explain. So okay, this is nothing but so Java syllabus what we have total. I divided it into 5 parts. So in these 5 parts, exams will be there for fundamentals. So part 2 and part 3. For these topics, I'm going to give exams. Online exams will be there, and the coding questions will be there only for part 1. Okay, and output based questions will be there for this. And for this containers advanced Java, based on this we are going to develop a small, okay, a small console based mini project. A small console based mini project we will develop, like what are the concepts that we are understanding, that we are learning in this core Java. With the help of those concepts, we will develop one project with a live, and some what you can say, some ideas I will give, you can develop by your own. If you are having any queries also, we will have a interaction and we will do that. Okay, so this is nothing but the syllabus what we have for core Java. Any queries? Yes, please confirm, guys. Any queries?
No, sir.
Any queries, please confirm. Yeah, you are to, please.
Do we have any fast tracks, sir?
No, sir. No, sir. We don't have any fast track. We don't have any fast track. Maybe you can expect in the month of February fast track batch, that too weekend.
Okay, thank you.
So hi Prakash sir. So
Yeah, hi.
again, means each of the topic you have written in the board, right? So each of the topic you have given a programmatic example, right?
Yes, sir. Exactly.
Okay, so that program I will copy paste on the notepad
No,
and that
no,
will
no, 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 no. I'm going to type each and every program with my own hands and I will execute that program, and then I will copy paste into your running notes and I will share that.
okay, okay, that's it. Yeah.
Yeah. And I too expect the same thing from you people. Don't copy paste my programs into your system and execute, because definitely it will execute. You have to try by your own. At least 3 times you can try. Fourth time you can see and you can type, but don't copy paste. At this stage it will be very easy, but when we go to the next level, it will be very difficult. That's why while learning, please learn from the scratch. This is my
Yeah,
sincere request for everyone.
sure.
Sir, one more thing. For the C, basic C is good enough, sir,
Sir,
to work for Java.
as per almost 5 or 6 years back, if you want to learn any programming language, so compulsory you must have an idea about some programming languages. Then it will be good. But nowadays that is not at all matter, sir. The person who don't know anything about programming language can learn. So the only thing is time taking to certain level. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Rest you need to put some extra concentration. That's so once if you came to the streamline, everything will go. Any other queries?
Sir, after this course, we have to do Spring Boot
Yes, sir,
tools.
definitely. You need to go for frameworks if you want to be a expert. And one more, just very good question you asked. So this course is suitable for students who don't know anything about Java. Okay, and the students who wants to learn full stack. See, various corporate training institutes and everywhere, full stack Java is there. The people are always looking for a fast track. So within 3 months, I want to finish. It is impossible, sir. So with practical things I'm telling. So full stack Java, if you want to learn minimum, so 8 to 9 months you need to spend. Okay, so already if you have learned or some technologies like Oracle, these things, then it will be very easy for maybe 6 months. Okay, but without any knowledge, learning full stack is very difficult. That's why first you will have knowledge on basics like Java, one database connectivity, either it may be MySQL or Oracle or Mongo or anything. So one UI technology tool, framework, okay, one programming language. With all this stuff, if you can able to think how projects are working in the background, I'm not asking about the implementation, how it is working realistically. If you have that idea, then learning framework will become very easy. Then you can map all the things and you can develop the works easily. So there, while learning the frameworks, if any faculty say here auto boxing is happening, if you don't know about auto boxing, from that point, next 1 hour class won't understand. So the fundas are very important. So the people who don't know anything about Java or any other database, for them it will be useful. And the people who are in final year or pre-final year or friends with 1 or 0 or 1 year experience, for them it will be very good. And the people who are changing their job are the people who wants to shift from non sector to sector. People have learned frameworks also, because for freshers, company are going to do some training period on the framework. So, but for experienced frameworks, they won't be guidance. So compulsory, the people who are doing some experience, they need to learn frameworks also in addition to this. Clear, sir?
Yes.
Yeah, clear, everyone? Right. So next, just we'll start with later, of course, about the 3 to 4 will be there. Then we will talk about the syllabus of these UI technologies. Okay, UI technologies. Okay, and Oracle 96 syllabus also I will show you. So in advanced Java. These syllabus I will explain in the next coming sessions because complete syllabus I am not going to take. So now I'm going to start a small topic, not three topic. I will start one topic so that you can able to understand and you will feel that how Java will be okay is possible for us to understand or not. Like that you can think. Okay. So that's the topic only you are going to explain. Topic is nothing but data types. So with your knowledge, anyone tell me what you mean by data type? Just at least by seeing it, okay, or by seeing the words and you can frame, you can imagine something like that, right? So tell me what is mean by data type. At least you can guess, right? Okay, fine. So I use the word called so data type. Data type represents the type of data that we are using in our Java program. Okay, sir, what type of data you are using in your program is decided by data type. Sir, is the definition is okay? Everyone, please confirm. Is the definition is okay?
Yes.
Sir, can you please give some examples? Definitely. So here I am going to give. I want to represent weight of person. Sir, weight is almost 80 kg. I'm taking like weight is equal to 82. Sir, 82 is what type of data? Integer. I used one special word called int. Int is what here? Integer. Int is what here? Integer. So it is one data type. It is one data type. Next, percentage is equal to some 75.5. Sir, what type of data is float? Float means it is on the points percentage, like petrol price. Okay, height of percent. These things we will measure by using points, right? Hence, it is called as what percentage. Similarly, so I want to take one person name as a Kalyan. Have you observed? I use those. It is nothing but names. Whose name a person is considered as a string. So these are nothing but what? Types. So name is holding what type of data? Sequence of characters. Hence I use the word called string. 75.56 is a floating point value. So point representation. That's why for that there is one name is there called float. Sir, 82. It is a numeric value. Hence it is called as integer. Like we have. Clear guys? Sir, any questions from this? Clear everyone? Please respond. Please be active. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. So in the above example, so int, float, string are data types. What type of data we are using is nothing but data types. Now I will give one small mini project kind of thing, like one case study. So one case study. So we will analyze. What is that is I'm taking employee management system like that. One EMS software I want to develop. So developing this, I come across various types. Okay, like sir, I noticed that employee ID we are using. I noticed that employee name will be there. Okay, right. So employee name will be there. So next and after every employee associated with some email ID. So every employee associated with salary. So every employee is having gender like male or female, something like that. So married or not, something like that. Next mobile number. Next and after that for communication purpose, address will be there. Okay, and also designation like what is the role of that particular employee in the company, like you can consider n number of things. Sir, employee ID is what type of data? Sir, I will use numbers like employee ID 1, 2, 3 like that. Name is what type of data? Sir, just now I have given example, right? String. String is what? A group of characters. Sir, what about email ID? It is also string, sir. What about a salary? It is something like decimal value. Means what? Sir, points presentation will be there. Indirectly, it is called as float. What about gender? Sir, it is a boolean. Boolean. You can take only values, either yes or no. This type of things will be there. So, sorry. It is nothing but what? Character, either M or F. What about married? Yes or no? What about mobile number? Don't tell it is integer, it's string. Because so if you store mobile numbers, you are not going to do addition, right? You will only search operation. Yes, I will take. There is no problem at all. Okay. Sir, address is what type? It is also string type. Sir, designation is what type? It is also string type. One small note I am going to cover. What is that note? Is in Java, only in Java, in all programs, the most commonly used data type is Spring, sir. Very, very important. If you learn Spring very well in Java, you can sustain the industry, sir. Because maximum concepts will be there based on Spring only. Sir, up to this, whatever I covered. Do you have any queries? Please confirm.
In Boolean, it should be true.
Come again.
Sir, in Boolean, we have values of true and false.
Yes, yes. Just for your learning, I have given like this. So later we will change. Okay. Any other queries, guys? Right.
Sir, why we
One,
are using character for gender?
madam, male or female, M or F. Some people may use called male, okay, so or female, like that you will type. Comparison will take some time. If I use M then F, comparison is very easy, right? Have you ever, madam? It is how many characters? 4 characters. This one is how many characters? 6, but this one character. Space wise, got it?
Yes, sir.
Clear, guys? Size. That's all.
Yes,
This
sir.
is nothing. That's all. This is nothing. So also demo here. Okay, just today I explained only the syllabus, just introduction to data. Tomorrow we will see that UI technology is a syllabus, and then continuation of this data types. Okay, like that demos will be there. After that, regular classes will be there. Again, before closing the session, I am telling what is the timings of this session. The timings is 9 o'clock. Remember, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. sessions will be there. Got it, guys? Please confirm.
So tomorrow, sir?
No. Only for a regular class. Demos will be as usual.
Okay.
So demos are from 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. only. Today first class, right? That's why I am winding up 45 minutes. Okay.
So regular class will be happen Monday to Friday.
Yes, Monday to Friday. This
So-
week classes will be from 9 to 10, sir. From Monday onwards, your class will be from 8 to 9. Okay.
Okay, regular class, sir.
Yes, sir. Regular class, sir.
Okay, not before that. You're not starting before that.
No.
Okay. So the classes will start from Monday onwards. It is a demo you're going to attend from 9:10.
Yes. In the demos, whatever I'm telling, I won't repeat in the regular class. So you can treat it as a normal. Already we started. Okay.
Okay.
And if you are having any queries, we'll spend some time on doubts clarification session. I mean, the session will be there 9 to 9 or 9:50 like that. If any student is having a problem or any query, then we will spend some time. But whole class I'm going to repeat. Got it? Yeah. Yeah. Fine, guys. See you in the tomorrow session. Same link, same timings. See you at tomorrow 9 o'clock. Please join 5 minutes before, guys. Okay. Yeah. Good night.
Bye, sir.
Bye. So right in the last session, that is yesterday, we started a new add-on batch. Okay, the title of this basic Java package. The courses you are going to get in this basic Java package is around 4 courses you are going to get, like Java, then advanced Java, then UI technologies, Article 90. These 4 courses you will get along with one mini project in basic Java package. The duration of the course is 4 months: January, February, March, April. Maximum by the end of April we will complete this batch. So fees for this batch is 12,000. And timings of this session is not from 9 o'clock, sir. It is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. And it is a normal track. Means I am going to explain every concept in this 1 hour duration. So with a clear, neat explanation by taking some time. So in this there are 2 courses. You can select only Java if you need. Fees for that is 5,000. So the people who wants to complete this complete project, the complete front end to back end technologies, if you want to learn except frameworks, you can go with this package which includes 4 courses. The fees for this is nothing but 12,000. Okay. And one more very important conclusion. So I forgot to mention. So our batch is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Maximum try to be leisure 1 hour before, 1 hour after. That means so sometimes I may plan this year technologies from 7 to 8. Okay. And sometimes I may plan Oracle 19C from 7 to 8. Maximum chances are there. That's why. So parallel when Core Java completed, so before starting this advanced Java, in the middle of Java or the ending of Java, I will launch another batch for your technology. I mean batch. So you people are going to join in that. Please maintain this kind of thing because this is very very important. Attest we are not going to see. So maximum 2 timings will be Core Java, advanced Java is going to be finished from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. only. So if possible, I will take UI and Oracle 90 from 7 to 8. So meanwhile, gap also will be there. There won't be continuation. So in such a case, we'll 45 minutes. You will then fit into 20 minutes. After that, our core class is going to be started. Like that plan will be there. Anyway, all these we will discuss. So in the middle of our Java, the completion of the fundamentals, there won't be any disturbance. There won't be any parallel pairs. Okay. So then I need to give this information. And coming to yesterday, I explained core syllabus, which contains almost 5 parts. In the first part, we are going to see fundamentals with some quizzes and coding programs and ranking. The second part program, where around 50 to 60 topics we are going to cover, along with all the program questions and also interview questions and containers like array, strings, collection, framework, generic, everything will come here. So in this round, we are going to plan 10 tests. So every test contains 50 multiple choice questions with negative marking, just to your knowledge. That's all. So if you are getting marks or if you are getting marks, we won't do anything. Just it is a confusion for you people. So you are very good at stack and queue. For stack and we will have 50 MCQs. One test will be there for it. So just you need to read the code and select the proper time will be there. Time to limit will be there. And even we are going to have a kind of a give marking. So you will select the correct answer. So you will put your name. That's why. Okay. And part 4 advanced topics with regular expressions, web wrapper classes, exception handling, multiple, and some Java new features like Lambda expressions, functional interface, stream API, all are pre-defined things, sir. Next, in part 5, storage areas will be there, like file handling, database handling. So, by concluding this, we will see a small console-based mini project also. So, this is nothing but details about the course, what we are going to cover. So, if you are having any queries up to this, please let me know. Okay, is it? So, clear?
Sir, in the core Java tier, which part it will reach?
Very good question. Actually, this is a wrong question, sir. There won't be a separate syllabus for different versions. Syllabus is common, sir. In versions, we are going to get some new features. Like we have 23 to 24 versions are there. In every version, some new concepts will be added. So beyond that, there will be change. But those are small minor things we will ignore because it is not research area, right? Small things we are not going to focus. So the main stable versions are there, like Java, Java 17. So either what are the concepts are there that I am going to cover this only. Okay. So you can consider it as Java 11, Java 17. This is my opinion. Got it, sir?
Okay, sir.
Any others regarding this course?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Please.
Yes, part 4 and part 5 will be included in core Java.
Yes, it is in core Java. The syllabus whatever I explained till now is core Java only. Okay?
And in advanced Java, that UI technologies, Oracle 19C and
Yeah,
JDBC.
yes, that will be there. Just I have given only first part is core Java syllabus. That's all as of now. Okay.
Yeah.
And in yesterday we started data types, but before moving to these data types, so still there are 3 more courses there, right? UI technologies, Oracle 19C, Advanced Java. So collections and generics. Harshit Reddy, you can see yesterday you were right. It 3 clearly I mentioned collections. In this collections only, that will come. Everything will there is collections only. Got it? Right. So yeah, good. So now let me give the syllabus for Oracle 19C. So today let me give the syllabus for Oracle 19C. So how these 19C made it? What is mean by the C? Okay. So what are the different versions are there? The story and we will see the classes. So let me give the syllabus. The syllabus is not having any modules, sir. So because it is a database and very easy, but more queries will be there that we need. So here first we are going to see fundamentals. In every course fundamentals are very important, right? So fundamentals of database, like what is mean by database, why we are going for this database. So if you have any data here, we can preserve the data. So what are these are there? So our over file system benefits are there. Everything we are going to see. Okay, yes. 12 is extra. You can compare with other institutes, sir. You get clarity. Right. So it's more worth it, sir. So I think once if the initial thing that it will be like that. We have to see the contents, not these or something like that. If we have most before there, right? Let it take the decision. If you worthy, you can. Okay. So physical things. This is not of this. So we are going to see SQL, and there are some client tools are there. How you can able to work on the client tools, like structure query language. So what are client tools that we have? We have SQLS is there, SQL developer is there. Okay, so PSQL developer is there. We have different kinds of things are there, and after we are going to see the data types, like programming language in database also. While storing the data, you have to give the type of data. So then these SQL commands are divided different types, like data definition language commands, then so data manipulation language comes only at top level. I'm giving, sir. In detail with multiple examples we will discuss. And date by language. So DEQL commands are there. Then DC commands, language commands are there. All these things we will discuss. Okay. So then next on after that we are going to about operators to perform some basic operations like other programs. We also operators here, but they won't be input and output because so we use other tools, right, to push the data to database and to get the data from database. So we will use interfaces. So we won't directly with, but if you want, we can use command prompt handle that SQL plus 2. We'll see that. So then we are going to see some kind of constraints also, sir. Okay, so we have constraints there. integrate constraints. So we have primary key, so for key, default constraints. Okay, so like how you use constraints. So for example, email ID. So email ID can be duplicated, right? Mobile number cannot be duplicated, right? So in such cases, we have you one special key. So if I'm trying to duplicate key, immediately it is going to trigger. With that, we have some conditions. Suppose I'm giving marks of a student, it will take you. So how it is going to take the schema will give that. The part and all we are going to discuss. And after that, joins. How you can able to combine the tables. Like my data is available in different tables. So how you can able to get combined data? Everything to be available in a single table. Compulsory the data will be available in different tables. So from the get, for example, so the total, yeah. So you can use other number to integrate any table, any database. For example, I want to verify bank accounts. So if a person other fingerprint is there, so you can fetch all the bank details. So your other database is connecting to database. So like that every weekend, that means I'm trying to combine the tables. For we have joined are there. Okay, then after we have here something like temporary tables and indexes to make efficient search operation. So we have indexes are there and we have some assets are there. So all these things maybe some people don't know. So if we explain then a sequence like how to create sequences. So we're going to cover one mini project. So examples I'm going to use sequences. So next after that sub queries. Like if you are taking any query within another query, then it is called as what sub. So how you can able to use sub queries? Okay, so how you can interact with sub queries? Like how to use the sub queries? What tools are there? Everything we are going to see. Okay, next partitions. So partitions means what? So how you can able to use these partitions? What different types of partition are there? Mm, SQL functions. Then PLSQL, very important. How the programming PLSQL, what kind of programming you can able to do. Okay, so then subprogramming. Subprogramming is what? So in that we are going to discuss about stored procedures. Stored procedures means what? Okay, next control states, we keep condition loops. So control states we are going to discuss here. And cursor, what is mean by cursor? How we can use that cursor? Okay, even exception handling is providing support in Oracle. So how to deal with that? Then records, how to deal with records. Then how to create functions. So in this also we have a collection of the instead of triggers. Okay, so last step is so this is nothing but the topics which we are going to cover on Oracle 19. Of course, as of now, I didn't divide it into parts. Okay, I didn't divide into modules. Just we'll see. This is nothing but Oracle 19 syllabus what we have. If you're having any queries on this syllabus, please let me know. Yeah.
So yeah, I have Korea taken. So all the syllabus and the core which you have taken in the other batch, it will be covered here.
No, I'm not getting your question.
You have a practice for Java past back.
Yes.
So the same is covered here, but I will not point you now. So this syllabus covered here.
Yes, syllabus only.
So in case first will take core Java, can we add this order take order?
That is depends. Suppose if something is good enough, then we won't give any other batches. We will start. So if study less, then only we'll plan another add-on batch for this.
No, not add on. See,
No,
till
I'm not.
core
Yeah,
Java.
I understood. You asking first you use for core Java, later you join for Oracle. So later it is for core Java. So we're going to be only two core week. So we hold core Java. Simply like for for around 40 days. So if you just complete, then the user for all the course continues.
Okay.
Maybe only for course will merge into this. That's technologies.
Okay.
For Oracle C and Java, there won't be is condition basic.
No, okay. After core Java, we are paying the remaining fees in finish.
Not possible. That's what I mean. Facility will be it's less big. Yeah. Sir, any queries? Any query?
When will it be important?
Yes, rest of it will be fixed. So that's why I told at the beginning. So you can make availability from 7 to 8 also from some 30 days. So because these UI technologies are there, right? I'm going to transfer technologies from 7 to 8. That will be having data also in February it will be there. Okay. So once if the core Java 50% completed, then I will add a new batch for UI technology from 7 to 8. In the people are going to join. Only my courses will be there in duration. It is only on days. It is only because maximum there won't be events, but if any topic demands some more exercise, some easiness and some functions, so if I want to demonstrate, then I will. Even sometimes I'm going to put live sessions on weekends, but like that, some extra special activities will be there. So clear?
Yes, sir.
So having more questions. So here the topics are kind of like the database industry. So if we look at the time and the projects and after using JDBC, JSS, it's like not much.
That's what, sir.
So if we see the projects are using the SQL with that, so will you will touch the topics from external are going to do it in the on the topics?
Right. Actually, this yes, it's actually very Java because see if I'm explaining directly framework, any framework, so students people can understand some knowledge in the programming. Other people they can't. That's it. So you know these are basics only. So to develop small project, what basic things are required? First we are going to cover. Once you have idea about all these things, then you go for it. So directly go for that, right? I'm keeping in mind I will answer this batch. So I told yesterday itself after learning this. So the next step is nothing perfect. Only is full stack. That's why we have the batch called basic Java. But frameworks we are not going to touch. Got it?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Right. So maybe you can expect in the month of April or May or June like that. I'm going to take full stack Java. So that separate framework separately will be there. Okay.
So if I want to only code, so I can only for code Java, right?
Yes, only
So this code Java course will be completing how many months?
so 1.5 months. Exactly 5 courses.
Okay, thank you. So that was the last one. So that will also let Java 8 well in
Yes, yes,
right?
yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Right.
How did
Ma'am?
Notepad, you write the notes. How are you getting that?
Ma'am, I'm going to run notes. I'm sure I'm going to you. They going to give drive access to everyone. You can see it is nothing but our drive. Already this batch got started. Is that much? So you can see just I'm going to give running notes and related materials, everything here itself. Now, if you download, you can practice every day.
So this might started only, right?
Yes, sir. This is add-on batch. So I'm trying to say already one before this batch I been started, and only some around less is there in that batch. So that's why just to pick up that batch, we have planned the add-on batch. This completely 9 to 10 class will be there. From Monday onwards, it will be. I'm going to match with that. The topics what I cover for that I will share. Oh, it is a kind of exam. Looks for course it's just kind of management. Clear. Yes, sir. Okay, go to this article and see. So what are syllabus for UAT is advanced Java. We will set syllabus in tomorrow tomorrow discussions. So syllabus and coming to Kona already started yesterday. One topic we are not going to read this topic. So we started. I will raise it for 5 minutes. I'll continue. So yesterday we started one programming explained all data types. So what is data? Data types. Type of data we are using in our program. So what kind of data you are using in the program is always called as what? Data. Example also like if you take bit is equal to 82. So 82 is data integer. 75.56 is percentage of the total. What type of data is float point? So I have taken a so it is nothing what type of data is like that. So here int float string are nothing but what data types. Data type represents what type of data that we are using in program. And even yesterday we have seen one case study like one case employee management system like EMS. So we analyze so many data types like employee ID. What is some name, whatever data is string. So of characteristic email ID, so string, salary, decimal value, something like points. It's called as floater. So married, boolean, yes or no. Mobile number. Some people may feel is integer, but please make sure who doing arithmetic operation with mobile number is string type of data only. The string type of data, designation type of data. So we need to decide in advance what type of data we are going to store. Okay, so first to note is number one. In Java, so we have both primitives. We have primitives and objects. Remember, there are two terms are there. What is the first term? Primitive. What is mean by second one? We have both primitives are there, objects are there. So what is mean by primitive? What is mean by object? Let me have a simple explanation of this. For example, listen. See, I have for your easy understanding or something. See, consider this small chocolate is there. So raw chocolate. Chocolate is not a complete, just chocolate is there. So how do we can take some it? So same chocolate is there with me. Okay, same chocolate is there, another copy is there, but the chocolate is beautifully wrapped with some cover. So wrapped with some cover. Now, sir, this is nothing but in my terminology we can call it as preview. Sir, this one we call it as object. So what is this? Primitive means you can object you can open this wrapper and you can use you ask in the customer. Sir, I want to transfer this chocolate for kilometer. Is possible? No. Sir, I want to transfer this particular object for kilometer. Happy. So these are the main difference. So object are having the capability to move network. We can store that in any database. We can retrieve. It is command like that. So it provides that feature at very basic level. Yes, what is by primitive? So what is mean by object? We got clarity. Now we have both. But highest priority should be given for object. Highest priority we given object only. Don't worry. We will see all these things in Java. How many types of data types are primitives are there? Objects are there. Some people are going to primitives and non-primitives. Sir, non-primitives is nothing but what? Objects only. Sir, is the first note everyone? Sir, everyone first note.
Yeah. Yes.
Yes, sir.
One, please have interest. So second point, right?
So such lot of decisions. I mean, forward. So we can mute and we can ask questions to it. So
Yes, you
because
can.
I had usually from the 3 months last. So there I can type. I can't see.
No, you can at any point of time. So I won't dictate. You can at any point of time. You can interrupt. You can ask queries. Yeah. So second, here sir. Sir, you in Java primitives are there, objects are there. We are using primitive for a client demanded object. Then is it required to write the entire code by changing the primitive to object? No, not required. Why? Because these are two different activities. At any point of time, in Java, we can convert so primitives into objects and objects vice versa. Both are possible. So if you are converting primitives to objects, there is one name there called as unboxing. It's called AB. So you can also convert sometimes objects into automatically. So the concept is called as auto unboxing ALB. Like that, there is one concept there in the wrapper classes. I'm going to discuss about this. We can depends on the scenario. We can convert. So why? Because I'm going to purchase a new container. I'm going to purchase a new container. This container like boxes will be there like this. So like these boxes will be there. Now my question is, sir, I want to store. I want to store. Okay, I want to store this preview in the particular object. No, it is not possible. Sir, I want to store this object. Yes, it is possible. If it is not possible, what we can do? So no problem. You can convert this preview into object form and you can store. Sir, this process is called as auto boxing. We have this facility because it's small concept, so we are achieving the advantage. So here we say note. Please come. Yes. Last, I think you have answered this. Tell him that this is nothing but the overall application I'm going to Tell me these which data you are using most frequently or most commonly.
String.
So that is the third note. The third is the most common. Okay, the most commonly used data in Java, in Java programming is nothing but what string. So please try to remember this line. And I will come to this line because without string, only one Java is not possible. It is without using the word called string, I'm going to come to the class. That's important and easy also. So we will see all those things. These are the three important notes related to database. If you are this, then I will go for next.
Yes, sir.
Right. So first here the object oriented programming will talk about objects, but now I am talking about primitives. So primitives are what is the other name? Fundamental database. So let me talk about primitives are fundamental data types. So these are basic data types in Java. So how many primitives are there, sir? There are four types there. First one, integers. So all the numbers in the memory from minus infinite to plus infinite. All the numbers from minus infinite to plus infinite will come the single category. So what about second, real values? Real values in the sense, so the data which is in the form of x by y is called as real values. Sir means what? For example, consider I have a number and I have a number. So this is one type of data integers. Okay, but when I'm taking 5 by 2, integer 2 is integer. What is it? 2.5. So this 2.5 is what type of it is real values. So the data which is in the form of x by y, where x and y are integers. The data is called as what? Real values. So what about third category? So characters. What is matters? So this is ASCII code or it is available even in there we will talk about it. And for them, so we have boolean type of data also there. So like 1 to 2 values. So these are things for primitive data types, fundamental data types which are existed in any place of this. Any of this? Please come clear. Guys, please.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. So next one. So what is mean by ASCII? Can you please tell me what is the form of ASCII? So the language like C, even Java also sometimes uses ASCII. What is the full form of ASCII? Full form. So standard
Integer code.
or information
Interchange.
So for every character present in keyboard, we have some notation will be there. Some values will be there. Okay. So like nothing but in if you take school or college or whatever, for every number will be the number like that. So in keyboard for every character we have a special code will be there. That is called as ASCII code. It is always English alphabets, okay, characters, digits like that. But I will use the characters like Telugu alphabets, Tamil alphabets. Worldwide, how many alphabets are there? Everything I want to develop. Then for that, Unicode is there. Unicode means what? Universal. So we have two types of standards data. So based on the scenario we will use anyway. We are going to always consume based applications. Maximum will use ASCII, but I will show you how to work with Unicode characters also. Now, so one more review. I have A is equal to 1 is there. So I have B is there. Can you please confirm the Am I right, sir?
No. Same with the
Both A and B are integers, correct?
so same will be this.
Oh, yeah, of course, these are integer. Correct. So as you can see, minus infinite to plus infinite, everything is under one integer. So what is the answer for this question? Yes. Now second question. So which variable? Variable in the CRB. Which variable? Okay. So takes more space. Tell me which is going to take more space among these two. Yeah.
B.
Why? Because big data is there, right? So it is very difficult to hold. We need more memory. So which variable takes less time for acting? Immediately it is going to respond. Which variable?
A.
Yeah. Why? Because
It
content is rich.
you occupy the space.
Yes. So variable takes more times the correct time. So in this focus, you can see we are going to see these two, but both digits. That's why we decided is so we have divided array what kind of numbers is because now these integers are divided to four types. Like we have date, we have short, we have int, we have long. How many types? Four types. Similarly, these real is also divided into how many types? Types with the flow of it. So that one is about arrays. How many types are there? Only here. And the next one we have boolean. So there is no boolean. So int are divided into how many types? Types. Real values are divided into how many types? Characters are divided how many types? Only one because there is no division. Deleted characters only there. And boolean also only one. That's why it's only. So at the bottom level, how many different types are there? At the top level, so we have four types. Okay, at the ground level, at the bottom level, we have 8 data types. So you need to remember this, I think. Okay, total how many data types are there? 4 is 2 floating point values, 1 character, 1 boolean. And for these 8 values, 8 variables are there. So what do you mean by classes? Just what I told you. This is video, this is right. This one is the variable class. Okay, for how many 8 values in our except this 8 values, everything is object. I can't cover this 8 values object from in the class. Okay, so are you asking what about everyone to please open your speak?
Yes, sir.
Are you able to understand? Right. Now we are going to see the properties of every data type. So properties of these data types. What properties? So for every data type, we have a name, we have enemies there, and we have some keyword names also there, like what keyword there. Next, for every class also will be there. Next, how much size it is going to occupy memory, how much size it is. Okay. So what is the range? Like is the minimum value, maximum value, and what is the default value for every data? We are going to discuss this properties. Okay. So now the first one, byte data type. For this byte data type, I want to talk about the properties. Okay. So, sir, what's the data type name for this? It is nothing but integers. What is the keyword name? Byte, byte, byte. So B is always letter. What is the property class name? Only. Listen carefully. So I have byte B. Okay. So I have bit like this. What is the difference between this? Is review. What is one? Is object. So seems case very important. So if you are writing like this, it is reject. If you are writing like this, it is private. That we have. Every what difference? Please confirm. Clear?
Why did you primitive rapid test?
I will remember one transfer objects. Like, say I am taking now in my home testing in my I'm very short. So since it is not allowed in corporate time or in the classroom physically, right?
Yes.
So you can consider the thing which are like other primitive. Absolutely okay. One if you want one in the society, it should be some format here. Show a but you do the class in quite manner. Like, okay.
Yeah, the child.
Ah yes,
Like
same same. It means you can transfer across the network, but need that from object only.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, right. So once in the computer memory, we will always measure the size in terms of bits, binary bit. Okay, like a group of bits is called as byte. A group is called as KB. So group is called as MB. Like sizes will be there. But byte, how much size is going to occupy? It will occupy one byte. One bit, how many bits? So it will be there. What is the range? I will show you how to calculate the range. Minus 1 by 82. So plus 1 by 7. So what is the value? 0. So this is nothing but properties what we first data type in the year classification is nothing but what is the class name? How much is going to occupy one byte? This one 8 bits. What is the range? Minus 1 by 82 plus 127. So what is the default value? 0. I hope if you are clear with all these concepts, how is range is calculated? So in every grammatical formula, I will clear. Please confirm. Every clear everyone. Clear, please confirm.
So just by the small one become.
No problem. Just ignore. That's all. Slowly we will get. Okay. So if you are getting a small word I am writing, listen. Byte b is equal to 1. Is a byte.
Yes.
Okay. Now consider I have a container like list dot add of b means immediately we will get error. So same byte is equal to so new byte 1. You take like this, and if you take a list dot add of b means so it will add no error. So what is the reason? This one is object. This one is a okay.
Okay.
So as of now, remember like this. Remaining things anyway we will see. This what is we have so much context there. They will talk about it more clarity. The collection I will clear. Okay. Clear. So everyone clear? Right. So now I'm going to do one small diagram. See what I'm going to do. Just I want to carry minimum maximum value. See how it will be there for 1 bit.
8.
Good. 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bits are there. Just I want to make a duplicate copy of this. Why? Because one is to hold minimum value, so other one is to hold maximum value. Suppose it is a bit. How many values? Only two values, either 0 or 1. Correct? Please confirm.
Yes.
See, if I'm taking, yes, if I'm taking all these, it will be definitely minimum. If I'm taking all ones, it is the maximum. Will you accept this? See, if I want to value of any data, we will put all zeros in this. If you want to get maximum value, because 0 is the minimum, 1 is the maximum. Here, guys. Right. One more point. See, I'm removing this last because in binary terms, this last bit is meant for maximum value means will be always positive. If it is a positive, we have to take 0. If it is negative, number means negative, we have to 1. So while calculating, you should ignore this because it is purely for what? Sign purpose. Okay, and this bit is as MS most significant bit. If MS bit is 0, it is a positive number. If MS bit is 1, it is a negative number. Okay, the part. Next one is positive. So by numbers 1, only digits will be there 0. So this bit is 2 power 0, this is 2 power. So 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. If you calculate, so 2 power 0 is 2 power 1 is 2, 2 square 4, 2 cube. So next 16, then 32, and then 64. So if you add all these things, we will get 1 answer. And the sign is plus. That's why the argument for nothing but what? Plus 1 to 1. So this is clear. Everyone can please respond so that we go for next one and I will conclude clear.
Yes, sir.
And just for your reference purpose, no need to remember this, no need to buy hard all things because we have different tools to calculate how inner is generated. I'm explaining. Coming to sir 2 power 0, so 2 power 1, 2 cube, 2 power 4, so 2 power 5, 2 power 6. All zeros. See if it is directly can convert. If it is negative number, somewhere I think in your course you have covered this in your UGP courses. So we have what is the two summate formula? One summate plus one. Excluding this sign, remaining things. One comment. One comment means what? We have to cut 0 into 1 into 0. So 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. For this we add 1. 1 plus 1 0 1. Don't tell it is 2. This is a binary. Again 1 plus 1. So 0 1 1 plus 1 0 1 plus 1 0 1 1 plus 1 0 1 plus 1 0 1 1 plus 1 0 1. 2 power 0 2 square root 2 power 2 power 3 power 6 2 power 7. So what is 2 power 7? 128. What is the sign? Minus. So like this we have calculated. In is manipulation we calculate. But as a progress we know how it's calculated. But we have to calculate. Clear guys? Clear? Yeah. So remaining things anyway we continue. And last note very important. So only demos are at 9 p.m. to 10. So what about regular class timings? Everyone please confirm. What about regular class timings?
8 to 9 p.m.
Yes, good. 8 to 9 p.m. From Monday onwards. So the class timings is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. If you are having any, please let me know. Remaining people, this means you can. Yeah. So good evening, guys. Welcome to Durga's online training sessions. And myself, PRAKASHBABU, having 15 years of experience as a trainer. See this, there are two batches in this. So the title of this batch is Basic Java Package. So in this batch, I give complete information about the courses that we see remaining. So what courses will be covered in this? So first we are going to see core Java. So then we are going to discuss about GBC like advanced Java. Then servlets is also related to advanced Java. So JSP. After we are going to UI technologies. So like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, jQuery. These are we are going to see, and then we are going to about maintenance. And with all these tools, we are going to one mini project. So this is nothing but the tools which we are going to cover in this total basic Java course. Okay. The duration of this course is 4 months. So Jan, so Feb, March, April. You can expect the course completion almost at the end of this April. And fees for this particular batch is 1,000, including reels and videos. Very important timings. So the timings of the batch is not at 9 o'clock. It is from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. and it's a normal track. Normal track is slowly I'm going to explain the concepts from basic to the next level. Okay. And in these, there are two batches. People who are interested to attend only core Java, you can select core Java. That is nothing but module 1. Course 1 is nothing but, so only core Java. So you can register by paying rupees 5,000 only for Java. And course 2 is Java page. Okay, Java page means all these 4 courses like Java, Advanced Java, UI, these 4 courses will come. So for this, the fees is nothing but rupees 2,000. It's up to your choice. So if you want to complete full stack, this is Java package. If you need only Java, okay. So one of my tools only Java will be there. So finally we are going to discuss this technology as well as Oracle. But once if the complete we will discuss about basic services like that. So this is nothing but our course details. So if you have any queries, let me know. Then we'll show this. Any questions? So feel free to ask your queries. So already this was started. Is an batch. The batch is started last week. Is an batch.
Sir, what is add-on? But only the 1 week for the past 1 week, why might be covered.
This will cover for you people.
Okay, that's again. It is something.
We started last Monday. We started a new batch. So just to add few more people into that batch, just we plan another temporary batch. We will combine this batch with that. The timing will be 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Whatever I order for them, I will give people and given start for the batch. I think you understand right? Any other queries regarding details?
What's the Java?
No?
What's the duration for course Java?
Around 45 days will be there. Yes. Since it's a normal every month you can tools by the end of it you get exposure.
Okay.
Right. Let me start this Java. Actually, core Java we are going to plan totally in 5 modules. Okay. So what is the module here is so that's what we are going to cover part 1. So here we are going to discuss only about fundamentals. Like if I want to have any Java, what basic things are like introduction. So introduction Java steps to prepare Java application. If you want to prepare any Java application, what steps we do follow and what are the software is required to run Java. So if I want to develop a simple Java program, also some basic of it and some ideas also like how to download, how to install, how to develop a program, how to create a project. You can agree the basics we have covered. After that, so we'll talk about the keywords and identifiers. So any programming language, let me see Java or anything. So keywords are a common thing. Like some words are there in Java, other languages are fixed. So those are called keywords, and we will be identifiers also. And identifiers we are defined and how to write comments and some naming conventions is very important. And data types and type casting, how you can cast and how you can convert. So one type to the type. Then we have letters, some people use about constants, then operators. After that, input and output statements. Next one after that selection statements. Next iterative statements. So next we have transfer statements. So then we have nested loops. Nested in the sense something like inner loops. So after this we are going to see so pattern programming, like how to play patterns. These fundamentals also we are going to conduct some kind of quizzes like on each and every topic. So we'll be having this, so you can participate, and it is a interactive quiz. Like questions will be displayed on screen, and you have to select answers from your mobile or something like that. And leaderboard position will be there, negative marking will be there. So we will complete challenge mode. Three questions will be there in this quiz. Every topic. And even code based questions also will be there, like some programs I will some programs I will use as assignment for you to practice, and I will use hacker rank link. So with almost 100 plus programs just for practice steps you can practice things. So this is nothing but a part one fundamental, so we'll spend maximum time on this. In this time period I'm not going to take any extra sessions, because so learning fundamentals is very very important for this Java. So maximum time we will spend on these fundamentals. Once if we are clear with remaining things become easy. This is about the first part in our module 1. Any queries? Any queries?
So whatever will write the program will get us Prakash, or
No,
that,
we cannot get it. Please
no, but in that let's say you are writing the program as part of the topic, right?
yes.
So that program you will provide me, say you will say the program to us, or
Yeah, we're going to share learning notes here. This is previous learning notes. Like program I'm going to type and I will copy the output also, and I will
okay.
share here. Everything I'm going to type and I will exit. Okay.
Okay, yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Sir, one more, like the Java practice programs, like however, these programs software you will provide.
Yeah. So software is not required. Just see this coding questions. These are something like problem statement only. I'm going to, you have to tell your mission, you need to send answers to me. So as coming to the online recipes, I'm going to share. I'm going to discussions on my screen, and you have to attempt that one. Okay. Then last one, I can use plan online platform. I will show you once the tabs are covered. I will show you who you can execute the programs. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to, I will show you. Yeah, you can see the demo link actually. It may not work. You can see the kind of platform there. I'm going to give this for you. You have to practice this. So almost programs will be there. You can see like this. So you need to select a program and you click on solve. You can see it will be there as well as constructor and some sample cases also going to give. You have to type the program and you need to run the code to check whether it is working or not. If it is working, then you click on submit. See, you can expect basic level programs to advanced programs. So maximum basic level programs will be there. And there's some moderate programs also will be there. Top programs around 100, sorry, 10 or 50 that it will be there. And very very important, sir, the people who are in final year, pre-final year, for that this course is going to be helpful. I this coding case. These things are going to be helpful. Okay, sir. Clear? Sir, everyone, any questions? Fundamentals?
Hello?
Yes.
Sir, recorded us video. Recorded video.
Yes. For the session complete, we are going to share video the same day night itself. Okay. And these videos will be accessible for you only for 6 months. That's why whenever the session complete, maximum try to revise the video as possible. Okay. It will be your drive for 6 months. Once if time period completed, automatically it is going to be. Questions and fundamentals. If you are clear, then we'll move next one. What are my systems? Yeah, she is it. This is only part of our test syllabus. And let me show you the plan so you can get some clarity. It is a previous batch video. Just we're going to have a quiz like this. Yeah, like this. A quiz video you can see. So the questions are displayed on screen. Student have to select an answer, and finally we have decided is going to compass next. So this platform I will introduce how to execute and all. So it will be there only for fundamentals. So for remaining parts we will parts. This is part 1. Okay. Now coming to this Java 2. This part 2 main important topic like object oriented programming. That is nothing. Object oriented programming we are going to see. See in this we have around 50 subtopics are there. 50 subtopics are there. So I don't want to type each and every topic name, like method overloading, method overriding, constructors, so active methods, okay, instance factors, static factors, so static block instance, like number of things will be there. So I don't know each and everything. And in output based questions also we have. Once the session got completed, I'm going to show 5 or 6 questions. You need to judge the answer. Okay. And after this, we written here, every questions are very important because majority of the companies are going to ask the questions only based on these. So that's why I will focus mainly on OOPS concepts. So the second priority after learning fundamentals, you need to priority OOPS concepts. Then part 3, once it is completed, then we are going to see so containers in Java, like how you can able to hold the data. So for that, we have some special utilities like we have arrays are there, and the strings are there, and the collections are there. So for some of these things, these are containers. Like I can contain some data. So this can contain some data. And the collections are also a group of objects. Like we are not required to do these. So these are more easy part of Java. Lengthy topics will be there. We are not required to do anything. So for arrays, we find what is there. First things we have classes are there. Like string buffer, string builder, string buffer. Then collections we have is linked list. So it's a set, map, dictionary, like that. We have a number of things are there. So this is nothing but part 3. So this is number part 3 what we have. Okay. And so part 5, so part 4. So this is some advanced topics will be there. What are the advanced topics we have? Is like one. So advanced topics, we are going to talk about regular expressions. Like, so what is regular expression? How you can able to develop a regular expression for validations like that. Next, wrapper classes. Of course, it is outdated, but it is very very important. Okay, these related, but there is a concept of box. This is also very important. And sorry, I forgot. So for containers, so I'm going to do some 10 tests. 10 tests I'm going to do. So every test contains 50 questions. 50 questions. So with negative marking, just to practice. You need to practice. At the end, I will show you how it is going to work. And I'm not going to take this in live class. I will share the WhatsApp group. I give some time. On the time you start, you take the exam. And IS 2 exams will be there. And Springs 2 exams will be there. Rest of the exams will be on collections. So it is a kind of a different platform going to be introduced. And if you are thorough with this, so you can give guarantee you can get any kind of interview. Because everything is a different easy will be there. So I mentioned there. And regular expression, wrap classes. Next, exception handling. Next, repeating. Okay, so next after that, very important like lambda, some new features. So functional interface, then stream area. So these things are covered. These are Java new features. And last part, so which is the storage areas. Like sir, developer one application is working fine by using all sorts of data. But I want to run this. I want to install animation and I want to client execute the program. You want to preserve the data. For that we have two things. Okay? One is the free handling. Second one is database handling. For database, I will use both MySQL and all, both I am going to extend. So, okay, this is another. So Java syllabus one. Total I divided it into 5 parts. So in these 5 parts, exams will be there for fundamentals. So part 2 and part 3. For these topics, I'm going to exams will be there. And coding questions will be only for one. Okay, and output based questions will be for this. And for this containers advanced Java based on this, we are going to develop a small console based mini project. A small console based project we will develop. Like what are the concepts that we are understanding that we are learning in this Java? The concepts we will develop one project with like some what can say some ideas I will you can develop your own. If you are having any queries also, we will have an interaction and we will do that. Okay, this is nothing but the syllabus for core Java. Any queries? Yes, confirm guys. Any queries? Queries?
So, my query is, I'm audible?
Yeah, audible. Please.
Do you have any fast track?
No, sir. We don't have any fast track. We don't have any fast track. Maybe you can expect in the month of February fast track batch, the weekend.
So hi Prakash sir. So
Yeah.
again, means each of the topic you have written in the board, right? So each of the topic you have given a programmatic example, right?
Yes, exactly.
Okay, so that program you will based on the notepad.
No. I'm going to type each and every program with my own hands and I will execute the program and then I will it running and I will share that.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah. And I too expect the same thing from you people. Don't copy paste my programs into your system and execute because definitely you have to try by your own. At least 3 times you can try, 4 times you can see and you can copy paste. At this stage it will be easy. But once you go to the next level it will be difficult. That's why while learning, please learn from the scratch. That's my sincere request for you.
Sure.
Sir, one more thing. For this C, basic C, you have for Java.
As per almost 5 or 6 years back, if you want to learn any programming language, so compulsory you must have idea about some programming languages. Then it will be good. Nowadays, that is not at all a matter, sir. The person who knows about the programming language, okay. So only thing is time taking up to certain level. That's all.
Okay.
Just you need to some exploration. That's all. So once you came to the streamline, everything will good. Any queries?
After this course, we have to do about.
Yes, definitely, sir. You need to go for framework if you want to be an expert. And one more thing, just a question you asked. So this course is suitable for students who don't know anything about Java. Okay, and students who wants to learn full stack. See, nowadays, correct institutes are everywhere. Full stack Java is there. The people always looking for a fast track. So in 3 months, I want to finish full stack. It is highly impossible. So with tackle, so full stack Java, if you want to learn minimum 8 to 9 months. Okay, so already if you have learned Java or some technical these things, then it will be very easy for maybe 6 months. But without knowledge, learning full stack is very difficult. So first you should have knowledge on basic things, like Java, one database connectivity, maybe MySQL or Oracle or MongoDB or anything. So one UI technology, one framework, okay, one programming language. With all this stuff, if you can able to think how projects are working in the background, I'm talking about the implementation, how it's working realistically. If you have that idea, then learning framework will be you can have all the things you can do those. There, while learning the frameworks, if you is telling you how to happening, you don't know what I'm talking from the next one class you won't understand. So it's very very important. So the people who don't know anything about Java or any other. So for them it will be useful. And the people who are finally or pre-finally or freshers with 1 or 2 hour experience, for them it will be good. And the people who are changing their domain or the people who wants to shift from a non-IT or so you will have to learn frameworks also because for freshers people are going to give some training period of frameworks how to utilize. So but experience against these frameworks they want to give guidance. So compulsory the people who are taking some experience they need to learn frameworks also in addition to this. Clear, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, clear. Right. So next I will start one topic. Of course, around 3 to 4 demos will be there. There we will discuss about the syllabus of these UI technologies. Okay, and Oracle 19 syllabus also I will show you. So then advanced Java. This syllabus I will explain in the coming session because complete syllabus I cannot go to take here. So now I'm going to start a small topic, not the topic. I start with the topic so that you can able to understand and you will feel how Java will okay easy for us to understand or not. Like that you can. Okay. So the first topic only intro part I'm going to explain. The topic is named data types. So with your knowledge, you can tell me what is the data type. At least by seeing the name, okay, or by seeing the words, you can imagine something, right? So tell me what is mean by data type. At least you can guess it. Oh, fine. So can I use the word called so data type? Data type represents the type of data that we are using in our Java program. Okay. So what data you are using in your program is represented by data type. So is the definition okay? Everyone please confirm. Is the definition okay?
Yes.
Right. Sir, can you please use some examples? Sir, I'm going to I want to represent weight of person. Weight is almost 82 kgs. I'm taking like weight is equal to 2. Sir, 82 is what type of data? Integer. Have you observed? I use a special word called int. Int means what here? Integer. Int means what here? Integer.
Now we are going to add from 9 to 10.
Yes. Or any concept. Then we will start. I'm not going to record.
Okay.
Yeah. And guys, see you in the tomorrow session. Same link, same timing. See you tomorrow. Please join 5 minutes before. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Good night.
Bye, sir.
Bye. So in the last session, that is yesterday, we started a new add-on batch.